One day, one very cold day. This was no ordinary day. And on this day, there was a large group of friends. These were no ordinary people either. But the story isn't about these unordinary people. The story is about something even more terrifying. This story is about two of those friends waiting at a bus stop. And this is what exactly happened.
And they're just sitting there like 50 of them?
I don't know. I count them, but they all keep moving. And you have like the 70 others over there.
Move! And be like, dun-dun-dun!
I could scream, but...
Oh yes, she can scream. Let's scream, shall we?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Fly, my birdie, fly!
Nope.
That's depressing.
No reaction whatsoever.
Then, out of the blue,
There they are, all in that big.
But it's like a little...
Are they? Yes! Yes!
Yes, I'm getting them.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. They just all go back.
and when we thought it was all over,
Look, there's some over here.
and what did these friends think of this horrific experience?
But that was scary when the whole thing was coming.
That was absolutely terrifying when they all flew over us.
Just as I thought.